Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: logged in, broker linked, and data refreshed. Once done, build a focused watch list of 8 to 12 high liquidity names and pick a swing time frame like daily or 4-hour. You must calculate position size using your defined risk per trade. Make sure the stop-loss distance corresponds to volatility. Then prioritize stocks by trend and volume. This first step gets you into actionable setups fast, so you can move immediately to scanning and analysis without delay. You now scan within Money Control using the screener. Filter for recent price change, volume spikes, RSI in a usable band, and moving average crossovers. Once candidates appear, open each stock page and read trend, support and resistance levels, plus any relevant news or analyst notes. Then mark a clear entry zone, place a stop-loss below support, and set a profit target. Calculate risk-reward, aiming for at least 1.5 to 1. Make sure to save setups to your watch list before placing orders. You place the trade using a limit order through Money Control or your linked broker. Input quantity that matches your pre-computed position size, then immediately set stop-loss and profit target. Once filled, monitor with alerts and check volume to confirm strength. If the move favors you, trail the stop to lock gains. Close partial positions if targets hit, and always log trade details for later review. If something goes wrong, check data feed, broker confirmations, and reevaluate the setup rules before trading again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.